Can I have some details about the scope for a career in printing?
Of course, Janet. You see, the proper process consists of typesetting and machine operators.
Could you please elaborate on this a little more? I don't have much of an idea about this.
There are various machine operators for this purpose, like photo engraving and lithographic machine operators. They prepare material for the printing presses. It is their job to compose the text. Before the coming of computers, this job was manually done by precision compositors. Now, the types are arranged through computer. To compose a page today, the desktop publishing specialists use various art elements.
What about other technicians, like camera operators, film strippers, etc.?
Camera operators are also known as cine operators, half-tone operators, or color separation photographers. They use photography and develop negatives to make a lithographic plate. Further, there are scanner operators who make use of scanners or computerized equipment. Also, there are lithographic dot etchers who sharpen or reshape the images by retouching the negatives. And press plates are made by cutting the film by using film strippers. When the material to be printed is ready by employing any of these techniques, the next job is done by the printing press operators who install and adjust the printing plates. Then there are pre-flight technicians who check many aspects like format, setting or quality to make sure that the product is completed according to the client's specifications. Muscle cells grow in two ways. The first is hypertrophy. It means that the existing cells of our muscles swell due to the accumulation of water and proteins. Muscle size increases due to hypertrophic adaptation and an increase in the cross-section area of individual muscle fibers. To achieve continuous improvement, one will need to keep reaching for higher levels of training intensity. Otherwise, the improvement process will grind to a halt. Several biological factors, such as age and nutrition, can affect muscle hypertrophy. During puberty in males, hypertrophy occurs at an increased rate. Natural hypertrophy normally stops at full growth in the late teens. Muscular hypertrophy can be increased through anabolic steroids, strength training, and other short-duration, high-intensity anaerobic exercise. The second process is hyperplasia, in which satellite cells create muscle cells. These stem cells are wonderful creations, as these may be turned into almost anything we want. Stem cells have two important characteristics that distinguish them from other types of cells. First, they are unspecialized cells that renew themselves for long periods through cell division. The second is that under certain physiological or experimental conditions, they can be induced to become cells with special functions, such as the beating cells of the heart muscle or the insulin-producing cells of the pancreas.